Meat buns? Sorry, boys, the soccer geeks just bought up all I had. I know, life is so unfair.
I'm hungry.
Yeah, where is your manager? I am the manager. Now get your butts home and eat some real food. Build up a little muscle. Here. Sure. We'll take you on. Before the Spring Nationals, first we have a competition for the meat, Hinata.
Thank you all for your hard work. It's been a great training camp. And now you can fill your bellies as much as you want. Let your muscles repair themselves to your heart's content.
I just have to try and last until I get home. Yesterday I couldn't take it and I ate a hamburger. I wonder what the food is like at a power